How to redeem promo code for Hostinger. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now, type in Hostinger promo code and then search for it. Firstly, I'm going to show you guys how can you get promo code for Hostinger. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Hostinger. So, open any of it. I'm going to open this one as this is a legit website. Once you're on the website, scroll down and check out the offers. Select the one that you want to use. Click on it. You're going to get the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it. Click on Redeem at Hostinger. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website, log into your account. Then you're going to find different plans. Select the plan that you want to use and then proceed for the payment process. In the payment section, you will find the option of codes. Over there, you will need to paste the copied code and confirm your subscription. With that, the code will be redeemed and you'll get discount in the subscription. So this way you can redeem promo code for Hostinger. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.